Got it out the mud, now I'm dripping, no spill. Play with that cash in my pocket, yeah. Don't try me, I let off that toxic, yeah. Sick and move like I be bossing, yeah. See it, I want it, I'm copping it. Make a girl take a knee, no copping it. I call my eye when she topping it. She good brain 100%. Now I feel like paying all her rent. Straight G shit, that's money well spent. I did not lose, all I do is win. Gotta go home for my sister, my brother. They are my what? They are my twins. 24/7, got right with my weapon. It ain't a question, cause these niggas love stepping. Go home for my city, that's all that I'm reppin'. Live in Ohio, that's all that I'm reppin'. I got that cash on me, I got that motherfucking cash.
What's up, Proud Family? It's your girl, Brandy, back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, what's going down, I'm about to get dressed real quick. Your boy Justin is on his way and he's gonna text me when he's waiting outside, so I'm about to hurry up and get dressed because it's prank time. Bobos, I got some lashes, I got some ghetto earrings. So I'm about to put on some outfit. He just called me. He said he about to be pulling up. So I'm about to put my lipstick on. Period. Who you calling? Not Ghostbusters. Me. Period.
Boy, if you don't get...
Period, poop. You already know.
Really, nigga?
Flawless. Lock the door. Oh my God. Period. Oh my God, somebody about to walk out their door. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a costume, by the way.
I got you.
Hey, Sonia. It's a costume. Oh my gosh. Period. Where my boo at? Where my boo? Oh boy, it's sunny up in here. These lashes is a shield. Hey, honey bun.
Looks like
Hey, boo.
Hey, watch out, man. What is that stuff on your lips, man? Watch out.
Boy, don't act like that now. Don't act like that.
Oh my God.
All right, y'all. We about to set this camera up on squad. Period. I don't want to hear all that yapping.
No.
I don't want to hear all that yapping.
You're not about to go nowhere with me like that.
Your girl is looking fire. What you talking about? Period.
You looking like you up for hire. What you talking about? Look like you up for hire.
Up for hire?
Up for hire. Like you should be standing on a corner somewhere.
What? What I look like for clout?
Yeah. Oh.
I don't work jobs. I am a job.
Exactly.
You don't like it? Take a hike. Pay me for a sucker slide.
Be quiet, man, before you make me crash this motherfucker.
It's a hot girl summer. Period. So, when you get my nails done?
Nails? Look like you got your nails
First
done.
of all, man, you can pop these boys right off.
Oh,
That's a shame.
Oh, no.
That's a shame.
Oh, no.
That's a shame.
Oh no. Hey man, stop throwing that shit all over the phone.
Now I'm penniless. I need some bread. You hear me? A nigga with some money.
Girl, you tripping.
Money.
You are tripping.
Where is the dollar bills, y'all? Dollar bills.
You tripping.
Period. You know how much this costs to get these nails this long?
Stay out of my bed.
Not the base price.
Girl, you gonna make me crash this up. Put your
Period.
Got your feet up. You should be ashamed.
Where we going?
You just ride.
I'm trying to go get lit. You feel
Just
me?
ride.
It's Saturday.
Just ride. That's all I can say.
Cheers to the freaking weekend. I drank today. Yeah. Shout out to my girl Rihanna. You already know. Bad bitch.
You a trip. Relax.
Boy, what is the matter with you?
Ain't nothing wrong with me.
You act like you ain't never had a hood bitch in your peripheral. In your peripheral.
I had.
You had.
I said I had.
With who? Oh, hold on. What bitch? What bitch? I'm playing with me. Cause you leveled up when you got with me, baby. You leveled up. You hear me?
Oh, man.
Leveled up. I got all cute for you today and you all acting all like stank.
Cute? What are you talking about?
I could have been, you
Look
know.
at these earrings. Look. Nails just popping off. Cutting me.
You is messing
Cut
up
me.
my
You just
flow.
cut me. I'm cut. I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
With this dude, and this
Damn.
is how I get treated.
I'm hurt.
Nigga popping my nails off.
Hey, look at them big ass earrings. I hope your ears don't turn green.
What?
I bought you some real studs.
And I took them boys back because they was too small. I need some big diamonds, you feel me? Even if I gotta fake it till I make it, I gotta show you what I want.
You lucky you ain't got a diamond at all.
Boy, if you don't get.
Oh.
I need some big diamonds. I'm talking about this big. Money so far, all wanna fall.
If money so tall, just sit back and put your seatbelt on.
Okay. Niggas wanna act like that because a girl cute, and you know your girl cute. You know, and people are staring. You don't want people to stare. It's okay, boo. It's okay, boo.
Man, just cut it.
It's a hot girl summer.
You know what you doing?
Cause I'm a savage. Classy, moody, ratchet.
Boy, if you don't get.
Acting stupid with can catch me on TikTok.
Look, man.
Who?
I don't care. You about to go back home. Like,
What is the matter with
you?
you?
Hit this little move. You about to go back. We about to go back home so you can change.
I thought you was about that life.
Man, back up off me.
I thought you was
Back
about
up
that
off me,
life.
man. Back up off me.
I got all cute today for you.
Cute.
Today for you to act like this. Today. It's a hot girl summer.
Look like you hot here.
It's a hot girl summer like that.
Put your hand like that. Fuck.
What? That's what bullshit. You been messing with them basics way too long, honey. You been messing with them basics way too long. Okay?
Hell no.
Cause I'm a savage. Classy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? Period.
You a Riri.
No, not Riri, call me Barbie.
What?
Call me Barbie.
Hell no.
Cause your girl always looking like a Barbie.
Nigga, please.
I'm the real Barbie, not Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, right.
Call me Barbie the Minaj.
Right. Please don't compare yourself to Nicki Minaj.
Call me Barbie Minaj. Boy, please. If I wanted to go in your phone, boy.
Yeah, please. Shouldn't be. Like, why would you talk like that, dress like that?
If I wanted to go through your phone, boy, it would be no problem.
Yeah.
You know what it is, Daddy?
Yeah, my phone shouldn't
You
even
know
let
what
you
it is,
call.
Big Daddy?
Randy, shut up.
Come on, we about to go to your family's house.
That shit up.
Who gonna do something? Who gonna check me? Nobody. Who gonna check me? Who gonna check the Barbie? Nobody. Period.
Shit is whack.
Period.
Stop that.
Period. Who? Okay. Okay. What? What's your problem? Let me see your phone.
Nope.
Dang, I can't go in your phone. I see how people is fishy. Fishy, but it's okay. It's okay. Why you acting fishy?
Man, what are you talking about, man?
What? Don't call me a man.
Why I'm gonna drive you this f***ing car, man?
Don't call me a
Like,
man.
for real. Drop your ass off.
I am a lady. Okay.
On the face, man.
A lady. Juana who?
Come on, man.
Juana where? Juana where? Where? Who? When? Cause the amount of time that I got up and got dressed for you, and you calling me ugly? Oh, you about to be canceled. You hear me? Canceled. Canceled.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
You about to be canceled in a minute. Keep acting like that. You read this?
What you gotta do?
Sexy. Sexy. You heard? Your girl is fly. Bad and bougie. You heard the song before? I thought we was going to your family's house. I'm trying to kick
No.
it. Boy, you don't want me to...
No.
Boy,
No.
you don't want to show this off?
No.
Boy,
No.
your girl edge is on fleek. Period, Pooh. Period. So about these nails though. You getting my nails done or
No.
what?
No.
I'm the what?
You
You said I look 12, you know. Cause your girl don't crack, you feel me?
But you young, period. Like, what are you talking about? You sound ridiculous.
I'm bad, you feel me? Is that your way of saying I'm not ugly?
No, that's my
Fixing the way up what you said before. I'll take that.
That you looking at the little ass girl who want to be grown? Like,
excuse me, I am grown. I'm grown.
You are confused.
I'm a grown woman. You can't tell me what to do because I'm grown. Grown.
Hey, get your hand out of my face.
Ooh, that car nice. See, that's what the type of I need to be driving in. Not in here with some bougie acting dude. I thought you was about that life. Chick where?
Are you spitting?
Chick where?
Yeah, you dried your mouth out before you say that shit again.
Boy,
Yes,
please.
yes. Spit all that Corona.
Boy, please. Corona where?
Corona you.
Unless that's a fashion line, then it ain't on me. Period. Period, Pope. Period. Cause Barbie is only in designer, you feel me?
Really, nigga?
Is you mad? Cause I'm a city girl? Shoot. And let me hear that phone ring again. Cause any chick try to check me.
Shut up!
I don't like the disrespect. I don't like the disrespect. You got the right one. You got the right one. What you looking at? I don't know why cars looking over here. Shoot, hello. Hi.
Stop, dude.
How you doing? Goodbye.
She come over here and whoop your ass. Shit, but get your ass beat.
Check who? Who gonna check me? Yup, bye. See you later. Like I said.
You got problems, dude.
Like I said.
You got problems. You got problems.
Who?
It's a shame, just a shame, just a shame. It's a shame, just a shame.
Just drive this car. Take me to go get my nails done.
Dog.
Sick of hearing all this rah 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 rah.
Dog.
This blah 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 blah.
No. No. No.
Shoot. I'm trying to go get some inches.
You can't even see.
Boy, please. You know how much this costs to get these lashes put on me?
$2.
Playing with me, boy. Ain't nothing on my body, $2. Now, I'm sick of this little attitude you got. I ain't come all my way to be around you for this vibe. You need to get it together, honey. Get it together.
I ain't the one that look like they need to get it together.
Look. Did you see me?
Fucking Joanna, man.
Did you even look? Because you must be blind. You must be blind.
Musty.
What?
You said you musty.
No, I did not say I'm musty. Would I look like a basic? Victoria's
It's a
Secret.
basic bra.
What? And you chose me though.
I didn't choose nothing.
You chose me though.
I ain't choose.
You was in the club
I
choosing,
need to choose again.
and you saw me looking fly in the
You
corner,
ain't no club. Well, shut up.
fly in the corner, drinking that yak. Cause you know I be turning up in the club, and then I heard my song, and I was like, this is my jam. Then I was getting down on the floor, and then you gonna walk yourself over to me, talk about something. Dang, girl.
Nigga, I didn't even meet you in no club. So
And I was like,
you got the wrong nigga, shit ain't that.
I was like,
You got the wrong one, shit ain't that.
what makes you so different than every nigga in this club?
You got the wrong one, shit ain't that.
And then you pulled out your
I
cash.
would've said nothing.
You pulled out your cash.
Shit, nothing.
Boy, why you acting like you don't remember?
That ain't how it happened. Talking about.
You need tinted windows. You need tinted windows.
I'm driving your car.
You need to get me some tinted
You wouldn't have
windows.
been acting like this in my shit.
All this sun in my eyes.
Boy, if you don't get.
I'm trying to go shopping. Come out with big bags.
Nope.
Next day, do
I like
lunch
that.
and head to Six Flags. Shoot. Take me on a date.
No.
Shoot.
No.
You like,
No.
you can't give me nothing to eat.
No.
You can't give me nothing to eat.
No.
Took her to McDonald's, made her feel happy.
Yep. Take you right to McDonald's. No Chick-fil-A.
What? I need me a nigga who take me to Chick-fil-A every day.
Girl, please.
You feel me? Every day. Oh, there go Mr. Chicken. I'ma need me a 10-piece.
Chick-fil-A ain't even that expensive.
Boy, you must got money then. So what you gonna take me to Chick-fil-A every way?
Nope.
But it's not even cost that much.
It sure don't. Go right to my McDonald's. You better get that dollar sandwich.
Boy, do I look like a McChicken to you?
Poison. You kind of do.
Boy, please. More like a Whopper.
Exactly. Burger King face ass.
Cause I'm all saucy. And that ass fat, period, poo. Bad.
But you're skinny.
You're mad. Skinny wear. Skinny wear. Turn my music on.
No.
Oh my gosh, if I break another nail.
Man, get this shit, man.
You need to go get my nails done because you got me out here looking crazy.
Yeah, whatever.
You got me out here looking crazy.
Doing this stuff.
Yeah, because I need
You
me
better pipe it down. You know, we in a different neighborhood.
pipe it down.
Relax.
What is everybody staring at?
Yo,
though?
dumbass.
Hello.
Damn.
Hi.
Look, motherfucker over there recording you.
Hello.
You try.
Hello. Goodbye.
Oh my God. See, somebody see this. Try.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
See this. Try. That black woman gonna be like, oh, the black woman. Oh my God. I wonder where her mama at.
Oh, that's the car that was driving next to us.
No,
Oh,
it
that's a
wasn't.
woman.
No, it wasn't.
I thought that was
No, it wasn't,
my new boo.
weirdo.
She belongs to the streets.
Boo.
Okay, is you gonna give me some money?
I cash up you.
That's cool too. Make sure it's $100 at least. Make sure it's $100. Cause I need help on my rent. You know I got Section 8, so all I need is like $50. But give me $100 for my groceries. Period. Period. So when you gonna take me to get something to eat? Huh? Huh?
Man, stop talking like that and I'll answer.
I don't know why everybody was staring up in the store like, hello.
You look crazy. talking crazy.
Who's talking crazy?
Man, I'm telling you, that sucker touched my face. We got a problem.
Boy, don't act like you ain't ever kissed this before. Damn.
What are you talking about? He said if the sucker touched my face.
Give me a kiss.
You're doing too much.
Give me a kiss.
No. I'm about to run a light messing with you.
Boy, abide by the law, or you gonna go back to jail. Although I do like me a hood nigga. Is that you?
Nope. That's the wrong one. So maybe you.
Drop me off.
Yeah.
Sick of this
I'm
attitude.
waiting on you to say something like that.
Drop me off. I'm sick of this attitude.
Then get out.
You not about to just let me out in the middle of the street? Don't touch my ghost.
That's what I thought.
It's cool. I dealt with worse. Cause you know I only mess with savages. Period.
You don't shut your.
Period.
Got a problem.
Really, nigga?
Ooh, this sucker good. Try it. Psych. Oh, what they playing? Hey, 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 turn up, hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Relax. People are looking at you.
They need to turn that song up. That was my jam, you feel me? Hey.
Watch out, dude.
You is lame.
You lame.
Party pooping ass.
Hey, sit your ass down.
You a party pooper. You don't never want to turn up. Turn up. It's Saturday. Hey, it's Saturday. I'm about to hit the bars.
It's Monday.
Oh. Dang, I missed Saturday.
So did.
Messing around with you.
Look,
I always want to cuddle and whatnot.
you got the wrong one. Stop it.
Always want to be up on under your girl.
I ain't missed no Saturday. I did what I had to do.
What was you doing? Why you wasn't answering my phone calls?
I thought I was up under you.
You was
lying.
with
You a
another
liar.
girl?
You're a liar.
Let me find out.
Liar.
Let me find
Liar.
out. I'll call her and snatch her
Liar.
weave off.
Liar, liar. Liar, liar, handsome fire.
Better not let me catch that girl on the street, period.
Liar, liar, I'm a big liar. I'm a big liar. I like to lie and lie and just lie.
I need me a gutter nigga.
Aha.
Alright.
Thank you.
What? Alright, I'm done with this video, y'all. Cause Justin about to get smacked. Alright, and if you like this video, comment down below. Team Brandy.
No.
Period.
No.
And give this video a 100 likes. And it's going down on squad.
The mud, now I'm dripping, no spill. Play with that cash in my pocket, yeah. Don't try me, I let off that toxic, yeah. Sick and move like I be bossing, yeah. See it, I want it, I'm copping it. Make a girl take a knee, no copping it. I call my eye when she topping it. She good brain 100%. Now I feel like paying all her rent. Straight G shit, that's money well spent. I do not lose, all I do is win. Gotta go off for my sister, my brother. They are my what? They are my twins. 24/7, got right with my weapon. It ain't a question, cause these niggas love stepping. Go off for my city, that's all that I'm rapping. Live in Ohio, that's all that I'm rapping. I got that cash on me. I got that motherfucking cash.